Good morning, everybody. Today we're doing lesson 2.5 in the Evidence of Grace TNT book. Our verse is from the book of Acts, which is what we're studying today. It is Acts 13, 48 through 49. Now, this is a now. When, I'm just going to point to my watch for the when. Now, when the Gentiles were people, this is our sign for people. You make the peace sign and you walk some people around. We're doing it with a G for Gentiles. This is a G. Now, when the Gentiles heard this, they were glad. Up to there, ready? Now, when the Gentiles heard this, they were glad. And glorified, this is glorify. You take one flat hand and put your finger on it, glorified. They glorified the word, this is our book or the Bible, the word of the Lord. For Lord, you make an L shape. You take it from the left shoulder all the way down to the right hip. Okay? Now, when the Gentiles heard this, they were glad and glorified the word of the Lord. And as many, so this is many, okay, as had been appointed, so I'm just pointing to all these people, as many as had been appointed to eternal. For eternal, you take your index finger, you make one big loop, this is forever, okay, and then you go forward like this. This is eternal, and then life. You have two L's together and you lift them up because you have eternal life now. Believed, this is belief. You take what you know and put it and hold on to it. So that's believed. Ready? Acts 13, 48 through 49. Now, when the Gentiles heard this, they were glad and glorified the word of the Lord. And as many as had been appointed to eternal life believed. Now comes our last sentence. And the word of the Lord spread, or was being spread. You take a knife and you spread it. That's all I'm doing for spread. Okay? So, and the word of the Lord was being spread throughout all the region. You make a fist and you put land on top of it. That's region. Okay? And this is and the word of the Lord was being spread throughout all the region. Ready to do the whole verse? Acts 13, 48 through 49. Now, when the Gentiles heard this, they were glad and glorified the word of the Lord. And as many as had been appointed to eternal life believed. Okay? And the word of the Lord was being spread throughout all the region. That's our verse for today, Acts 13, 48 to 49. I'm going to try before I leave on vacation tomorrow to post the remaining ones for all of Unit 2, and that way you have enough to study until Christmas time. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a great day. Bye-bye.